Today I'm chatting with Ceres, one of our linguist subject matter experts here at SME Careers. Ceres, it's wonderful to have you with us. And to kick things off, tell us a little about yourself, your background, and your role here.
Hi. First of all, thank you for having me. I am one of the data trainers here in SME. I have been working here since around 2023 in several different projects. But prior to that, actually, I was working as an architect. But when the pandemic came and hit, I decided to shift in doing online work. So, yeah. And then one day I received an email from Upwork inviting me to a project here, and here I am. So, yeah,
Oh,
thanks for having me.
that's lovely. So you found us, you joined, and now that you've been part of the community for a while, how has the experience been for you so far? What do you love the most about the work that you're doing here?
I learned through the years that there are a lot of loops and things you have to discover about data training. It's not just about inputting data or what you know. You have to follow a structure to it.
And is there one project or like a moment in particular that really stands out to you or something that you're really proud of?
There was one project since I'm more into creative writing.
Hmm.
We were kind of tasked to write scripts, stories, short stories, and anything of the sort. And I remember some of the QA and QCs particularly reached out to me to do do the work of other people since they believe I have accomplished a great deal on that said project, and I felt seen and validated for
Oh,
my work. So that's a very impactful project for me.
that's sweet. And one interesting question. What do you think it is that sets SME careers apart from other companies in the space, the data training companies?
I think one of the things that sets SE apart from the others is that they're pretty hands-on. And considering that all the trainers, they live in different parts of the world, right? But then again, when a certain trainer or some other people are start asking on the chat that how do we do this, how do we do that, we always have someone who replies as in immediately. So they're pretty hands on and they're pretty decent, or should I say easy to work with.
Love it. And how about your own growth? How has SME Careers supported your development professionally?
I think one of the best ways SME has supported me is that there's always something new to learn. Like for me, since I work as a creative writer, there are a lot of things I'm still not aware of given that I have no formal training. And being introduced to the structure, I'm particularly impressed by SME structure and how they do things. And they follow a certain style guide and work setup. And it makes me improve my work ethics following that. So, yeah.
Amazing. And one last question from me. Looking
Mhm.
ahead, what excites you the most about the future of this field and your journey?
I think what I like or what excites me about this field is that it can help people. There's always the, how do I say it? There's always that particular, wait, I'm finding the English word for it. Mm, let's just say it like this. People are always afraid that AI would take over their jobs, right?
Hmm.
But the thing is, it doesn't work like that. As long as you know how to utilize AI and with how SME is developing models, it's superb. It's designed to help people. It's not designed to replace people. So I think that's one of the key important details people need to learn.
Amazing. Love that. Ceres, this has
Thank you.
been such a great conversation. Thanks so much for sharing all of that with us. And to everyone watching, if this sparked your interest, check out SME Careers to learn more about joining the community. And thanks for being here. See you soon.